Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. Today we are going to prepare Prasadam Poornalu or Purnam Burelu. This is prepared by most of the people as Naivedyam to goddess on Vara Lakshmi Vratham or Durga Navaratri. As it is a popular recipe, most of you might be knowing this recipe, but still you can watch my way of cooking these Poornalu with some tips. Take 1 cup of chana dal, wash and soak in water for at least 4 hours. Now take 1 cup of rice, half cup of urad dal. Soak this in water for 4 to 5 hours. In a pressure cooker, take the soaked urad dal and add 1/4 cup of water. Close the lid and pressure cook it for 4 whistles. Now our chana dal is cooked. There is little water, so on low flame, smash the dal with spatula and allow the water to evaporate. In a pan, take jaggery. Add the jaggery in the pan. Now add 1 teaspoon of water and allow the jaggery to melt. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee and the cooked dal. Now mix everything well and cook until all the water is evaporated and it forms a slightly stiff in consistency. Now transfer this to a bowl and allow it to cool down. Now add grated coconut, ghee, and off the video I have added cardamom powder. Now rub your palms with some ghee and mix to combine all the ingredients. Now make small balls. I have prepared these balls. Now grind the soaked rice and the urad dal with little water. The batter should be thick but not free-flowing consistency. Add little salt to it. If your batter is thin, add more rice flour to it. Heat oil for deep fry. Take the prepared balls, dip them in the batter and roll them gently in the batter to coat with the batter completely on all sides. Lift the ball with your hands or spoon and gently drop them in the hot oil. Repeat the same for other balls. Do not disturb for few seconds, then gently move them without breaking. Fry them until they turn light golden brown in color. Our yummy and delicious Poornalu are ready to serve. Offer as Naivedyam to God later. Serve them to your friends and family. Do try this soft and crispy mouth-watering Poornalu and let us know how it turns. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking Zindagi!